championship match on television.
Entering the ring with their manager, Bobby the Brain Heenan, at a total combined weight of 485 pounds.
A lot of thumbs down out there for the Brain Busters.
Here are the World
Hey, you can't always please everyone.
Tag Team Champions, Tully Blanchard, Arn Anderson, the Brain Busters. And their opponents.
All right, here they come now.
From parts unknown, at a total combined weight of 593 pounds, the challengers,
Demolition, Axe and Smash making their way to the ring.
And what a matchup this is going to be. I can't believe it. Tag team champions putting their titles up right here on television against the #1 contenders, Demolition.
Of course, you will recall it was the Brain Busters with the assistance of Bobby Heenan who stole the titles once before. Demolition knowing full well that Bobby Heenan is certainly a factor in this matchup. And I think Demolition will neutralize Mr. Heenan at a pretty early stage, or at least attempt to. Smash starting things out with Arn Anderson. Oh, double team effort.
And the Busters are going out quick and fast. They're going to try to end this early, it looks like.
Smash! Smashing his way out of the corner there. All four men in the ring at the same time.
And you know, this is to the Busters' advantage because if this thing gets out of control and if it ends up a disqualification, they keep their titles, McMahon. Demolition's got to be careful of that.
Tully Blanchard double team. Smash with Blanchard in the corner. Going to work to the midsection, sending him for the ride to the far side. Oh, wow, he ran right into that Smash there. Blanchard leaping off, caught in midair by a powerful Smash.
And that's the danger of Demolition. These guys extremely powerful, and now Blanchard's caught in a corner where he's in big trouble. The Busters can't afford to allow this kind of double teaming.
Axe and Smash asserting themselves. Blanchard. Oh my, what a move that was by Axe. And Smash coming in again. All four Busters in the ring at the same time. Over the top rope goes Tully Blanchard. Arn Anderson off the rope, drops the elbow on Smash. Clever maneuver.
Smash made a mistake there. He took his eyes off of Arn Anderson. Anderson saw the opening and delivered the elbow. Wow, did you see that?
Does not make contact. What a powerhouse Smash is.
And Arn's asking for timeout, but I don't think he's going to get it.
Up in the air, down to the knee, into the boot. Double team effort by Demolition. And, oh, what was that?
That was a
Blanchard grabbing the ankle, I believe, of Smash. Hoping that Arn Anderson was going to land on top of it, but not happen that way.
And that's the kind of moves Tully Blanchard has to come up with if they're going to be successful.
Blanchard hammering to the back of the head in a blatant violation of the rules right in front of the referee.
What was a violation about that?
Clench fist.
Oh, he was hitting him with a forearm, McMahon.
Not the way I saw it. Blanchard trying to bait Axe to come in as the tag rope, I believe, is wrapped around the throat of Smash.
And good, smart wrestling by the Busters. They're keeping Joey Morella, the referee, tied up. He didn't see any of that with the ring rope. And that's smart tag team wrestling, McMahon.
Smart, huh?
Certainly.
Oh, come on. The referee certainly sees that now.
Remember something, it ain't cheating unless you get caught.
There are those who would disagree with that philosophy, Jesse.
Like who?
Many. Not any of your friends, however. Tag is made again, and it looks like Blanchard comes in via the top rope. Smash is in trouble. A cover by Blanchard, one, and a kick out. A powerful kick out.
That was with some authority. Apparently Smash not as bad off as he appears to be.
Blanchard, oh yeah! Arn Anderson setting up for a double team attempt, but it was his own man who got the worst of that.
That's That's why you got to keep your head up. Arn made a mistake there. He just held the knee out and didn't watch to see what was happening, and he hit his own partner.
Anderson now with smash off the rope. Beautiful maneuver by Arn Anderson.
Arn Anderson, the power man of this team, going for the cover.
And Axe is going to make sure that there is no success there. In the ring now is Tony Blanchard. Blanchard with smash. Tries to get him up. He can't. Smash up in the air with Blanchard. That's reversal.
And that's where the weight advantage came in right there. Blanchard going for a suplex, could not get underneath Smash enough to get him up. Smash, much heavier and stronger, had no problem getting Blanchard up.
Blanchard tagging in Arn Anderson, and Smash makes the tag to Axe. Anderson off the rope. Oh my, Axe is cleaning house. Look at this. Clotheslines everywhere. A scoop and a slam. Another scoop and another slam.
Axe is fighting this like a handicap match.
Now Smash back in as well. Again, all four Busters in there. And things don't look too good for the Brain Busters.
Referee's got to get some control, though. He's got to get some people out of that ring.
Blanchard being set up. Axe off the top rope. Drop the elbow to cover. The two.
I can't believe it.
The three count. Tag team champions once again.
The winners of this bout and the new World Wrestling Federation Tag Team Champions, the Mazminka.
I can't believe it, that match.
What's going on? Bobby Heenan can't believe it either. Axe and Smash once again tag team champions of the World Wrestling Federation. Heenan can't believe it.
He's claiming something in that ring. I can't understand what Bobby, but he's feeling it. Bobby obviously feels there's been some type of injustice done there.
Bobby Heenan, I think, is flying over in the corner. Arn Anderson upset. Blanchard can't believe it. But believe it indeed, it's a fact, folks. Back to the replay.
There you see Axe working over Tully Blanchard in the corner. You saw Smash clotheslining Arn Anderson. Here's the patented demolition.